Hello everyone, so this is going to be the unboxing of the TI nSpire. There's a couple of models of this. This is the brand new one, the CX, where is it? CX2. I think it's just it's a color version of the original one. So this is the calculator that you should have purchased or are going to purchase. And again, you can speak to your learning mentor how that's going to happen. If you're in the boarding house, I believe it's done through the boarding house as well. So I'm just going to unbox this and then I'm going to sort of show you what comes inside and what not to throw away. That's quite important that we do not throw some of this away. Okay, so make some space here. I'm going to just tilt the camera down so you can see what's happening here. Okay, so let's put my laptop up here. Okay, it's a bit of a difficult one to get into, so just try and get into the plastic at the back here. And then there's an important software key that you do not want to lose. Here we go. Okay. So if in doubt, keep all the packaging. Try and turn it around so you can sort of see it. Okay, so here we go then. This is a charging cable, and also this is a link cable if you need to get it out of test mode when you join it up to the computer. This here. Okay, so this is one of the most important things in the. This is the activation key. Okay, so look, do not discard. It says at the top, do not discard. Okay, so in here, I'll refer to this in just a moment. Okay, so this is very important. Do not throw this away. You have your warranty and instruction manual, but the instruction manual is very sort of limited. I mean, this you're going to learn all of the functions whilst doing the lesson. Your teacher's going to sort of go through all of the options with you. There's just so much to learn on this calculator. Okay, and here is the calculator itself. Okay, let's get it out of its packaging. Here we go. Okay, so case slides off. Okay, and you can seal it like that. There's a reset button on the back if you need to go all the way back to sort of the default settings. And so I will just turn it on, and this will be the end of video 1 after I've just sort of shown you the activation key, and then I'll show you how to sort of install the electronic software. So here we go. It's going to boot up. Usually the very first time it takes a long time. You'll have to select your language. So here we go. I'll just do this little bit with you. So English. Just trying to make sure it's in the camera. English. Medium font size. Okay, what's this? Welcome message. Okay. And there we go. We're at the home screen. Okay. So that's just the basic unboxing of this calculator. Let's have a quick look at this activation key. So if you open up this card, there is a little code. Oops, there's a little code here, but I'm going to activate mine, so this will be redundant after this video. Okay, and so I'm going to input this license key into my software. Okay, but mine will be activated, so you won't be able to use that. Okay, so that's the first video of the Texas Instrument TI nSpire C2. So I will get back to you with another video on how to install the electronic software. Okay.